How to delete your PayPal account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can close your PayPal account. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to paypal.com. Now here you want to click on the login option. Once you click on this, enter your email or mobile number. Then you want to enter your password. After this, you want to click on the login option. If all of your details are correct, you will be logged into your account. Before that, you will have to tick the box that says I am human. Once the security challenge has been completed, you will be successfully logged into your account. Now, in case you want to delete your account for some reason, all you have to do is click on the gear icon that you can see next to log out. Once you click on this option, PayPal settings are going to open up. Here you have different categories such as accounts, security, data privacy, payments, and much more. Click on the account section, scroll all the way down and click on the close your account option. Here it's going to ask you for confirmation. If you have any issues, you can click on the contact us option. If you are sure you want to delete your PayPal account, click on the close account option. Once you do that, as you can see, your account has been closed. If you would like to create a new account in the future, you can always sign up. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.